So if your network admin left tomorrow, how long would it take you to piece together a complete picture of your DNS configuration, your IP address space, and your provider setup? Is it documented anywhere, or does it live in one person's head in scattered spreadsheets? Let me show you ResourceIT's documentation and export tool. From any network space, click Reports. ResourceIT produces a complete configuration document. All your domains and DNS records, your subnet hierarchy, your provider setup, your IPv6 allocations. Choose PDF for a shareable document with a table of contents and page numbers, or HTML or typed based on your needs. Need to back up a client's entire configuration? Archive creates a compressed backup of the complete network space, DNS records, IP assignments, provider configuration that can be restored and ported to a new space.
Need the data in another format?
Export to Excel, CSV, or YAML based on your needs. And if you need a host file for your internal network, ResourceIT generates one directly from your IP assignment. If you want your DNS configuration, IP address space, and provider setup fully documented and accessible to anyone who needs it, not locked in one person's head, check out ResourceIT.com.